Hi everyone, my name is Arunas and welcome to Callsy AI. Thanks for installing our app. First of all, this means a lot to us. Let's quickly explore what you can actually achieve with that and how you can use AI agents to not only boost your customer engagement, but drive some of that revenue and recover some of those abandoned carts. First of all, this is our dashboard, and that's what kind of information you're going to see. So let's go through some of the bits and pieces here. In here, you will see the dashboard, which will going to list all of your recoveries, the revenue that this AI agent has contributed to generating. You have some of the tutorial, and we are updating this app constantly. So the tutorial is going to have some checkboxes as well, checklist for you to do. The second bit is the AI agent that you have already pre-set up here. And you're going to have your current plan and the usage of the plan. Now, if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to our support. We are active, consistently developing the app. So, we appreciate any feedback that you have, or if you need some help setting up the AI agent. First things, we can test out, and I would highly recommend to play around with this and just test out the callings option. You can do that by simply entering your name and your phone number. This will have only the generic information in it, so kind of, bear with us as we update this. So it's not going to have your shop name, or it's not going to have your name. This is just going to be kind of like a generic prompt that gives the AI agent a call. You can do a little bit more advanced testing of the capabilities of the AI solution by creating a test recovery. So I would highly advise on that. So you can enter your name, your surname, you can enter your telephone number, the country that you're based in, you can enter the information about the checkout items that are left in the abandoned carts, and then the price that you want the AI to mention. This is also like a bogus checkout link that normally would in real agent take you to the checkout point. So once you have that set up, you can test around and you can play it. Once you have it ready, you can just click on the three dots and do the initiate call, and you're good to go. You should receive a call and have a little quick conversation with the AI. Now, once you have that ready and you say, okay, we're good to go to kind of test around, you get 10 calls for free. So every month, if you just keep our app installed, you're going to get 10 free calls from us. And then once you're ready, we can talk about some different plan options as well. The next step is to set up your AI agent. So you can click on the little pencil button here. Let's do that. And first thing we want to give it a name. So it can be Emma, it can be anything. It is a female voice. So it's best to actually, give it a female name. Second bit is that you need to provide the information about your store. This is once again something the way you want the AI to kind of mention when they call, what kind of a business they're calling from, and give a little bit of a description of what it is, what you do, and how you want to explain, like the AI wants to explain to customers what kind of shop it is. You can also have things like more advanced features. So these are like instructions. You can have a specific first sentence, like if you wanted to actually say something, or you can have the whole kind of prompting and engineering. Now, I would be careful when obviously I invite you to play around with this, but like if you do break something, it can really change drastically the outcomes. So if you do make some changes and you're not happy with those, feel free to reach out once again to our support. We're happy to be reset it to the default settings, and we can help you out to set it the way you would like it to be. The second bit is that it's locked. So this is like some of the hardcore rules that we put in place. And the last bit that you really want to do is the discount codes. So you want to enter the discount. At this point, let's put it at off 20%. Now, we do recommend to offer like a higher discount. If you do like 5% or any of that, the chances of the recoveries are kind of goes down. But if it's a great offer that you really want to offer to your abandoned cart users, especially when you have to remember that you already paid for those in terms of your marketing acquisition, do that here. So that's like, let's put it at 20%. We do recommend offering higher than 20% discount. And the last bit here is the percentile for what kind of options the discount applies for. So if it's like for the whole order, it's for the whole, or if it excludes shipping, etc., you can name that as well. That's it. We click save and we're ready to go. Now, once we have all of that ready, the final bit that we need to do, we just need to activate the AI agent, and it's going to make all the phone calls for your abandoned carts. and keep lookouts on all those revenues coming into your business. So finally, one thing I wanted to ask is that if you do having any problems or anything, feel free to reach out to us. You can do that through the support bot that we have here set up, all through the emails that you will receive from us once you install the app. So if anything is needed from our side, we're happy to help you out. Once again, thank you very much for installing our app, and let's help you recover some of those lost sales.